Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we're unveiling one of nature's best-kept secrets for combating dry coughs, soothing sore throats, and easing inflammation of the mucous membrane. What might appear as ordinary pieces of tree bark is, in reality, the potent root of a well-known plant scientifically identified as Althea officinalis. This exceptional remedy is harnessed through the artful crafting of syrup and tea. Let's delve into the meticulous steps to prepare the highly effective marshmallow root tea. Begin by boiling 200 milliliters of water. Once boiled, let it cool to an optimal temperature. Place a tablespoon of marshmallow root into your cup. Gently pour the cooled water over the marshmallow. Remember, avoid hot water to preserve the integrity of those active ingredients, though a slightly warm temperature is acceptable. Cover your concoction and let it steep for about an hour. This is where the magic happens. Now, the marshmallow root, enriched with mucilage, releases this substance into the water, creating a soothing elixir that gracefully coats the mucous membrane. After this alchemical process, filter the liquid, and there you have it, a natural elixir ready for consumption. Sip on this brew several times a day, optionally sweetened with honey, and suitable for children over 3, amended at 1 spoonful every 2 hours. If you're feeling adventurous, consider crafting marshmallow root syrup. Mix marshmallow root powder with water. Pour the mixture into a jar and let it rest at room temperature overnight. This results in a gel-like liquid, rich with mucilage, ready to soothe your throat and oral cavity. Store this sweet concoction in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Now, let's delve into the science behind marshmallow root's effectiveness. The healing power lies in its mucilage. Studies suggest that this substance forms a protective layer over mucous membranes and the digestive tract, equipped with antioxidants to soothe irritated tissues. Beyond mucilage, marshmallow root boasts asparagine, calcium oxalate, tannins, phenolic acids, starch, and pectins, all contributing to its remarkable efficacy. The active ingredients work synergistically to alleviate coughs and offer a gentle analgesic effect, making it a natural remedy for sore throats. The applications of marshmallow root extend to coating irritated mucous membranes in respiratory and digestive organs, addressing digestive problems, facilitating wound healing, and even promoting the healing of intestinal lining. Numerous studies corroborate the soothing effects of marshmallow root on coughs. One study showcased the effectiveness of marshmallow root syrup in treating dry coughs, while another demonstrated reduced severity and night awakenings in children who consumed marshmallow tea or syrup. Fascinatingly, marshmallow root is a perennial plant, reaching heights of 1 to 2 meters, originating from Europe, Western Asia, and Northern Africa. Its roots, leaves, and flowers, cultivated for medicinal use, contribute to its widespread applications. Lastly, a quirky tidbit: the candy marshmallow earned its name from the marshmallow root, once used by manufacturers for its mucilage. However, modern marshmallow treats typically consist of gelatin and sugar. Thank you for tuning in.